Good afternoon, guys. So, do not be afraid to face the circumstances ay mong kinabuhi. So, karon I am alone sa kong journey karon and I choose to do this. Layo sa akong pamilya, nasa sa Pagadian and I'm here right now. Layo sila. So, things na na-learn lang nako as you get through sa imong 20s. You are 20s or below. Remember na it's a um, good din siya na idea po bitaw. You need to pray first. Having a big decision sa imong kinabuhi or mga gagmay man na decision, continue to ask God for guidance. So I've been asking kay God ani guidance since having a job. Nag-submit lang ko og kanang form sa online, nag-submit lang og resume sa online and right now I've been yeah, living sa akong ginapray karon. So afternoon karon so nagawas lang ko para to shoot this one kind of content na akong i-share sa inyo. It's very casual, wala na siya ka ng dagang kuhan. Basta importante, akong mga ibang istorya dere is all about my struggles, personal life, and also things na na-learn ako as you get out sa imong comfort zone. Awa ka sa imong comfort zone is to really good uh, you experience new things sa life nimo, new environment, new people, new places to go. If you want to travel abroad or you want to explore sa mga places na wala pa nimo naadtuan, you can go with it. So, walay if naa lang gyud kay uh, naipon na money or uh, na kay na set aside from that. So, you can have to go travel and explore things in this world because life is too short. So life is too short. Dili na siya permanent. Nagyo ka dari. So that's the reason why I've been uh, putting this on my video. So this is the thing that I'm doing right now. Nagpabukid ko karon and I have a job as a video editor, multimedia operator. So right now, this lunch break. So this is the break akong gi spend to shoot this video. So do not be afraid to be alone. And I've been alone for since 3 months. Right, tong last May 2 and 3 months na ko dari sa akong gitrabahoan and yeah, if wala pa gani kay ikaw tong student na bag-o lang ning graduate or nangita og trabaho, don't just keep believing you have you can get or land a job sooner. Just keep in praying, keep in faith to the Lord. Just ask Him whatever you do because He will answer and knock so that He will be given to you. So no matter what you're going through right now, know that you're not alone sa journey nimo. And mao na akong na-feel po na ako pag I'm not alone sa akong journey. Maybe in physical form or yeah, the flesh, maybe you will be alone kasi layo ka sa pamilya and medyo wala kayo tao or wala kayo kay amigo dari pero this the things that I've been doing right now and it's good to have I have one circle of community dagang kong community I mean circle of friends like sa church but yeah you need to get out of your comfort zone to meet new people and also I've been trying right now to yeah upload this video and get back to content creation. So it's been past months, I think, na wala na ako nag-upload because of some of doubts or fears. But to really think, bitaw no, feeling na to, naigalantaw na to no. Pero no matter what you are doing right now, only one person sees what you are going through right now. Only God. So, si God ra gyud nakabalo. So, just whatever you passionate about na imong i-start business na wala pa nimo na start, content creation na wala nimo na upload pa na video, mga pila ka takes pa or passion nimo na to new to create valuable skills or create high valuable skills, just go with it. And yeah, it's not too late if you are young or you are older na. Dili pa too late na siya. You can go. I am in my 20s right now, so I'm doing something. I have done uh, a lot of failures, a lot of mga questions alive, worry, doubts, fears. But here right now, I'm continuing to do this kind of things to encourage you everyone that whatever you do, work at it with all your heart. Not working for the people, but you work it for the Lord. So God bless everyone. Have a great day.